Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: a Google account, a secure HTTPS site, and editor access to your CMS or FTP. Sign into Google AdSense and submit your website for approval. This registers your domain and verifies ownership. Once done, Google will check content and policy compliance, make sure pages aren't under construction, and include contact/privacy pages. While you wait for approval, prepare placement ideas: header, sidebar, and an article slots. These early choices shape layout and revenue. Now create ad units inside AdSense. Pick responsive formats first because they adapt to devices and increase fill rates. You can opt for auto ads to let Google place ads automatically, or choose manual ad units when you want control. Create styles that match your site without blending too much. Copy the ad code or use Google Tag Manager to deploy tags across templates. After inserting code into header or widgets, clear caches and preview pages to confirm ads render correctly across desktop and mobile. With ads live, monitor metrics in AdSense and Analytics. Look at RPM, CTR, and impressions during the first 72 hours to spot low-performing slots. If ads don't show, check for ad blockers, verify the code in your templates, and clear any server or CDN cache. Also confirm your site complies with AdSense policies if you received a policy warning. If needed, move placements away from heavy content interruptions and reduce ad density. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect with an incognito browser to bypass cached or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.